Hello my friends, I'm Andrea, astrologer, and welcome to this monthly update for October. It's autumn already. I filmed this on the 18th of September after the news for the 25 base points rate cut communicated by Fed in the US, a long-awaited moment and more rate cuts in perspective, which is pretty bullish. So let's see how strong October is. I share with you the monthly report, which is available in Patreon to all subscribers ahead of time, and also this video as well. Thank you to all of you who support me and for your continued loyalty. So we do have here a summary of the month. Pluto turning direct. This is the big event. Why October could redefine money, markets, and crypto. Along this, we do have also Pluto out of bounds since the end of August. So let's have this in mind. In the background, Pluto is very strong. October skies are buzzing with rare planetary shifts that could shake up everything from financial markets to digital arts. So we have more surprises in store actually, and with Pluto turning direct, Jupiter stepping into exaltation in the sidereal zodiac, and Neptune making a once-in-a-lifetime move, this month promises volatility, breakthroughs, and glimpses of the future, of course. All the outer planets, along with Saturn, begin October in a retrograde motion. Only Jupiter remains direct, so we refer to the first part of the month. In the first part of the month, we still have the intense energy of the eclipse, which took place on September 21st, a partial solar eclipse in the tropical sign of Virgo and also in the sidereal sign of Virgo. I think when the zodiacs coincide, then these are very powerful changes. A key turning point comes on October 14th, and I refer to the UTC time zone when I refer to the certain dates, because this is the time zone on which the blockchain and the whole crypto operates. And on this day we have Pluto stations direct. This is a big event, and this shift in general will help ease regulatory approvals and accelerate developments related to institutional money, ETFs, and regulation. All Pluto matters. Also, important developments in banks, in tokenization of assets will come this month. And we can see new topics emerging in these areas and important decisions to be announced. Usually when a planet is retrograde, it will review stuff. It will really analyze in the background, and then it will go direct and it will communicate and implement the changes. Since the end of August, Pluto has been out of bounds. I state that again because this is very important, and now this powerful change of direction may spark significant developments. Pluto's exaggerated condition, which is out of bounds, will amplify its influence, but it doesn't really form any exact aspects this month, neither in the global astrology nor in the Bitcoin chart. So it is important to have this in mind, because whatever will be now, it's like a seed that would be materialized in the future, because these aspects will come. So stay tuned for new videos and updates on the topic. So those connections will come into play next month, and by mid-October, on October 16th, we can expect heightened market volatility due to the Mars-Rahu trine. Sudden significant pumps are usually likely with this configuration, although they might prove unsustainable, so just be aware of that. The very next day, on October 17th, again UTC, Jupiter enters the sidereal Cancer, where it will remain until December 6th, UTC time zone. It only reaches the first degree of the sidereal Cancer, but it is its sign of exaltation. Also, we will have Jupiter in the Cancer zodiac sign, basically in both zodiacs, which is again very powerful. So look forward to this part of Q4, which is quite strong from mid-October to the first half of December. This brief transit offers us a glimpse of what's to come in 2026. In Bitcoin's chart, Jupiter will enter the beginning of the first house in the whole sign system, and this marks the start of a new growth cycle. The longer transit through sidereal Cancer will begin actually only on June 1st, 2026. An important sequence of events unfolds later in the month on October 22nd and 23rd UTC time zone. And these are as follows. October 22nd, Neptune leaves tropical Aries and re-enters Pisces for the last time in our lifetimes. This is because Neptune has a 165-year cycle. And Neptune will remain in the tropical Pisces until January 26, 2026. This shift can enhance imagination and fuel artistic development, as well as breakthroughs in related fields such as painting, film, music. Digital arts are especially favored under this influence. Think NFTs, and maybe we get also new stuff here. We have October 23rd, the very next day, with a bearish aspect to Jupiter square Chiron, bringing tension between optimism and fear. In financial markets, this aspect suggests that assets may retest previous support levels, moving downward under this pressure that we experience collectively. We have also new tiers and more detailed information, the same detail in all tiers for crypto and macro, basically for 4 different tiers, the first 2 for crypto and the second 2 for crypto and macro. Have a look at it on Patreon if you are interested to get details also on altcoins specifically for this part of the cycle. Thank you so much for your attention, for your time, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. I highly appreciate it. And until next time, be joyful. See you.